Let's go, guys. Let's go. No longer I'm not gonna live on YouTube. No, man, the opposite of plus 3 will be to minus 3, so you have to do that. So it will be 11 minus 3, which will give you 8, and then you have 2y equal 8. And then now you take the opposite of multiplication, which is to be divided by 2. You know, I'm gonna go on YouTube live. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Who they here? Alright, so this one says 3.5 minus 1 1/3 divided by 2/5. Yes, sir. What a go on? What a go on? I want to see you for the exam. I want to see you for the exam, guys. When I put in the work at 29 days leave, you know. I'm going to do some work and I'm going to see. I watch the comment section and see what I go on. Guys, on the top of the screen now, I forgot to turn on TikTok. When you like the video now, what's the answer for this, guys? Shanice says she not ready. Come on, Shanice. That's why I'm there now. We're there now. I could fix this. And guys, you can share it. If it go good, I go cool off for the TikTok and go on YouTube. More time. Johnson says 78. What a go on? Share it, guys. Share it. So we can begin. Get it up to 10 likes. 8. Alright, cool. Everybody there now. Everybody there. So guys, I'm going to do some past papers. And I'm going to push you guys to the limit in terms of speed. One of the things students seem to forget sometimes is that speed matters in exam. Alright? 40%. Alright, so Janice, can get ready, man. If you're the 40%, you're there, you know. You just need to lock down panda one session, you know. Alright? So guys, we have 3.5 minus 1 1/3 divided by 2/5. Who can tell me what's the answer? Type it in the comment section. Can I make TikTok live here on YouTube? You know, YouTube are the foundation, guys. I forgot to start come from YouTube live more regular. Alright, so guess what? I'm gonna run through that one here, guys, and then you guys gonna run through the next one. Guys, like the video, no man. Like the video. That's why TikTok nice, you know. People like the video, interact. Too much people now like the video. So guys, you actually have to do the division part first, right? Because according to the Bundas rule, you have multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So division comes before subtraction. So we have to divide first. So what we do, we convert 1 1/3 into an improper. So 1 times 3, that's 3, plus 1, 4/3. But bear in mind, guys, we have to remember the rule when dividing. Now, the rule states that we keep the first fraction, change the division to multiplication, and reciprocate. That's a very common error. Students do not reciprocate. I have to be teaching my PEP students this because it's a part of their syllabus. And believe it or not, they get it. So I think you guys can lock it down too. Alright. So this now would be 4, 5, 20 over 6. Why it come like the fraction here go bigger than the fraction here? Alright, 6 into this goes, 6 into 20 goes 3 times. And the remainder 2 over 6, which is the same as 1/3. So now we have 3.5 minus 3 1/3. That can definitely work. Alright, so we can do the conversion. 3 2 6 and 1 7 over 2 minus 3 3 is 9 and 1 10 over 3. Find the LCM, which is 6. How many groups of 2 we can get out of 6? That's 3 times. So 7 times 3, 21. And 3 into 6 goes 2 times. 10 times 2, 20. So guess what? Our answer would be 1 over 6. Typically, you would get 3 marks for this in Cxc. Yeah man, like up the video, guys. Like up the video. Energy. You know me work with energy already. So guys, you guys gonna try one now. So just remember, if you get addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, it follows a particular order. Alright? So you have to work with the order, guys. Multiplication come first. Kerry said 2% ready. No man, it can't be 2 at this stage. I have to up the game, guys. I have to up the game. The reason I don't come as often as normal because when I come, I don't get the energy and so. So TikTok kind of get a little energy. So you kind of tend to want to go there. So let's do another. Remember, guys, the order matters. The order matters. Want to see the answer flying? Let's come up on TikTok. And I see people are shouting the answer. And someone want to see the answer, guys. Someone want to see the answer. Yeah, man. So we have 2 and 1/5 plus 3/4 divided by 1/5. What would be the answer for that one? Let's go, guys. Type it in the comment section. Remember to share it, guys. Share it to your friends and something so they can come on. No ads not on it. It will run nice without the ads. And remember we have time here, guys. So we have 3 minutes to complete that. Let's go, let's go, let's go. And if you are watching playback, still do it in the time frame, guys. Alright? Still do it in the time frame. Now it's not the time to be joking. Cxc is around the corner, guys. Around the corner. Only 29 days to go. We have to lock it down right now. And those who want to join my maths marathon, somebody just text me and ask me if I have marathon. Yeah, guys. We have to just save the number here. 876 549 2161. After the live, we can talk. Alright? But yes, my marathon starts soon. We organize the past papers and get everything in place. But once the answers flying, we're not promoting the marathon now at the moment. We just help some people. We need help. Let's go, guys. Let's go. So we start off with fraction and then we take it from there. So we have 2 and 1/5 plus 3/4 divided by 1/5. And you share it already, guys. And you share it already. Let's go, let's go. Should be seeing the answers now. Let's go. 2 and 1/5 plus 3/4 divided by 1 and 1/5. Cxc sometimes bring these to trick students. Most times students will just go ahead and add. We'll just add 2 and 1/5, 2 and 1/5 plus 3/4. But just remember, we have to follow the Bundas rule, even when it's fraction. Alright? So I have to do the division part first because division comes before addition. So let's go. So we have 3/4. When we are dividing, we change it to multiplication, but we have to reciprocate. So this becomes 5/1. So now we have 3, 5, 15, and 4 times 1, 4. So I'm just going to convert this, and then we add. I'm not going to turn back this into a mixed number. 2, 5, 10, plus that 11/5. I know nobody know put answer, So this will be 15/4. And of course, we find our LCM. Once you're adding and subtracting, we must bring them to a common denominator. If they don't have the same denominator, we bring them to the same denominator. Now the LCM of 5 and 4 will be 20. So 5 into 20, that's 4 times. 11 times 4, 44. 4 into 20, that's 5 times. 5, 5, 25, 5 ones 50, so that gives us 75. And of course, we can now add 44 plus 74. 5 and 4, 9. 4 and that, 11. So that's 119 over 20. And of course, we know we can get 5 out of it. 5 and 19 over 20. Be honest, how many persons got that correct? A fraction is a must, guys. That will be your first 3 marks. The first 3 marks. Alright, Manda get it. Christopher, where are we told for? 4.85. Alright, Mandara get it. Good job. Shani said 26 over 5. That was the previous one. Alright, one more, guys. One more. Yardy girl. No, Gail. Yardy Gail. Think of girl. Sorry. I used to TikTok and them could name them, you know. Bad girl this, bad girl that, and all sort of something. Alright, one more, guys. Now, this is not the only way Cxc can set it up. So let us look at another way they can set it up. If I get something like that, could you be able to solve that? Suppose that was number 1 on your paper. Would you be able to get that? Type it in the comment section, guys. 3 minutes, 3 minutes. Let's go, let's go, let's go. No joke thing. Share the video, guys. Share the video. Let me share it too. Come in and allow me to share it, you know. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Push yourself. Push yourself. Push yourself, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Nikisha Miller says it's easy. Send on the answer, Nikisha. Nikisha, where's the answer? You say it's easy. Let's go, let's go. Let's do this, man. Let's do this. So, guys, waiting on the answer, alright? So, we have 2 and 1/5 minus 1 and 4/7 divided by 2/3. I agree, it's easy according to Nikisha. Once you follow the rules, it should not be a problem. Alright, you already got 44 over 105. Alright, so waiting on the others, guys. 1 month away from exam. This is your first 3 marks in the examination. If you do this and get it right, you almost pass. Alright, Johnny said 33 over 35. So that's 2 different answers so far. Casey said 33 over 35. So Mandera said 33 over 35 also. So you're the Gale. You want to check it because those persons got a different answer and it's the same answer. 1 more minute, guys. Let's go, let's go. You have to push yourself. One thing with Mr. Bennett, you have to push your speed. It's not about just if you can do it. Too many times students go in the exam, can do it something, but they're not able to complete it in time. You have to push yourself. That is why, guys, join a class, join a marathon, farmer study group. You have to do that. Kiki say 1 and 4 over 7. have to push yourself, guys. Or you can go in there and do 3 questions and the time up. Over the years, I've always pushed my students because that's a very important thing. Shawnee said 22/35. Christopher Lewis says 66/70. So guys, a lot of different answer. Let's look at it. So basically, we know that we have to do the top. Oh guys, in the shape on the status now. So them can come on and know, say, I start up work back on YouTube. A long time I don't come on, you know. Surprised, there's so much people there. Alright, so we're gonna convert, because we have to do the top part first, and then this line means divide. So we could do the conversion over here, so. Everybody must have my number right now. So 2, 5, 10, and 1, 11/5. And remember, your calculators are allowed. 1 times 7, that's 7, plus 1, 11/7. So, guys, how you come like say? Alright. So we find our LCM, which will be 35. That's the lowest number. Both of them can go into without a remainder. 5 into 35, that's 7 times. So we multiply it by the numerator. So 11 times 7, that's 77. Next, we have 7 into 35, that's 5 times. So we multiply 5 times 11, which is 55. So if we subtract this, we're going to get 22/35. So now, a couple things in perspective. This is the top. So this goes at the front, right? So it's 22/35 divided by 2/3. Now remember what they say, according to the rule, when we are dividing, we're supposed to change the division sign. So we keep the first fraction first, which is 22/35 times 3/2. And now we can cancel, or we can just multiply across. So I'll just multiply across, guys. 33 times that, that's 66/70. But it can be reduced because 2 can go into both of them without a remainder. So that's how they got the 33/35. So some persons would have gotten the full marks in the examination. Some would not. Guys, what is happening? I thought this was supposed to be the easy part of it. You just go collect the fraction, collect the decimal, collect the standard form, and we move on to section 2 with the matrices, the vectors, the circle theorem. Come on, guys, we have to do better. Let's one more, let's go. Come on, I have to go start come live every day. One more, guys, one more. Make sure you have your notebook and you're taking notes and all of these things too, you know, guys. And a joke thing, this, you know, a free teaching. Alright, I have another one here. Let's go. Let's go. 3 1/3 divided by 1 1/5 divided by a half. Share it, guys. Share it. Let's go. Work with your work and a chicken with your jerk. We finish this one at 3:35. Let's go. 3 minutes to go, guys. Let's go, man. So it's gonna show you whatever your weak points are. Let's go. Come out of your comfort zone, guys. Come out of your comfort zone. Work with your work and a chicken with your jerk. So it's 3 1/3 divided by 1 1/5 divided by a half. Thanks to all who like the video. I get so used to TikTok. I forgot to one person can do more than one like. Big up to everybody who like the video. Much appreciated, guys. Much appreciated. Alright, so we see 50 over 9. Cassie say 8. Taj, you had got the other one correct. Good job, good job. I never see it. Sorry about that. It came on the screen late. I guess when I was doing the solution. Alright, man there say 5 and 5 over 9. Oh, you pronounce your name. You're from Trinidad? You never see a Jamaican with that name there. You can write the pronunciation for me. Or may I call it right? One more minute, guys, and then we go through the solution. Type in your answer fast. Type in your answer fast. Let's go. Shawnee said 8 over 1, which is same as the Cassie get. Oh, it's short for Amanda. So it's a girl. Me I go say, yeah, me bro. Alright. Big up yourself, Amanda. Yeah. Oh, so like man there. Yeah. Big up yourself, man. Thanks for coming out. You know, say it never planned. Me just come on randomly and things. So, big up to all who there here. Alright, so we see 5 and 5 over 9. So two answers keep repeating. 50 over 9 and 5 and 5 over 9 along with 8 over 1 or 8. Life with me I say 50 over 33. That one off. Shade Marshall say 8 over 1, which is the same as 8. So let us see which is it. Solution time now, guys. Alright, so we have to work the top, right? So we're going to convert 3 is 9 plus 1, 10 over 3. I could divide first because we're not rush it. Now we convert this 155 plus that 6 over 5. Remember what the rule says? You multiply the whole number by the denominator and add the numerator. Alright, so now we're going to do the conversion. 10 over 3 times 5 over 6. So this becomes 50 over 18. So far so good. Remember this is the top part. So now we're going to have 50 over 18 divided by a half. Which we know, the rule says we have to write back the first fraction, change the division to multiplication and reciprocate. So that becomes that. So this now would be 50 times that, 100 over 18. So the person then, what did I say? 5 times. I'm going to tend to believe, you know. Because 5 times 18 is actually 80. Oh, but you can get another 18 out of it. 5 ones 5, 5 3s. So it's actually 6 times. You can get 18 out of that. Alright. So we have 6 times. Because you will get 50 over 9. I don't want something alright. What are the guys? 5, 18 and 90. 80. 5 ones 5. So that's about left for 20. So we can get another 18, which is 6 and 2. So 18 times 6 1 60. 6 8 48. No. That means I have 5 times for real. 5 8 40. 5 ones 5. So it's actually 90. So it's 5 times and remain at 10 over 18. Which we can further break down to 5 and 5 over 9. I did saw that answer, 5 and 5 over 9. Yeah, or the 20 over something there. Would probably work. So guys, for the persons, did you flip it? Because when you work the top part, you should have gotten that, right? Because you're supposed to flip. So I guess some persons did not flip as they are supposed to. Alright, can we move on from the fraction now, guys? Are we confident that we can get it correct in the examination? Somebody said it can be cancelled. Oh yeah. Remember we could use 2 into this 5 times 2 into this 9. 2 9s 18. So that's how I got that. Alright, one more guys, one more. But this time we have step it up from the fraction. Cxc have that little style here guys. Let me show you. Use a calculator for this. Don't be a hero and play no 0. And them say 1, the exact value. So they just want you to punch at your calculator and do that. And then 2, you're going to write the result in standard form. And then next to sign them up, then you can say round it off to 2 decimal places. Shut up that one here now guys. Use a calculator, do all of these. Please label it standard form equal 2 decimal place equal, and then we can take it from there. Let's go. Yeah, 100 over 18. Correct. So you see the exact value guys, you just punch it in a calculator and you use that to work right through. Alright, Mandor, you give the exact value already. You have the standard form now. So round it off to 2 dp now. So one person finish all 3 guys. Work on your speed. Remember, this is not just to do maths. We have 1 hour and 40 minutes. So we have to push the speed in the examination. Not to say you're going to do it wildly. You're going to work efficiently. But you have to be mindful. Thanks to all who like the video, all who share it. Much appreciated, alright? So you would normally get 1 mark for the exact value, 1 mark for the standard form, and sometimes 2 for round off to 2 decimal place. In sometimes you get 1 mark also. So it depends guys. So let's put that in our calculator and then we can shell it down. Alright, Tamara Williams, big up, thanks for the answer guys. So let's punch it in my calculator. The time up, you know. So if you never put in the answer, guys, just know so you have to practice more. You don't want your time is up. You know, the exam. So when I punch it in my calculator, I get 107.4192. That's the exact value. You get 1 mark just if you use a calculator. Now standard form now is a different ball game. So standard form means the decimal point should be between 0 and 10. So we know that we have to carry decimal place right here. So we're going to move the decimal point 2 times. So because the number of times we move, we have to represent that. So we say 1.074192 times 10 to the number of places we move, which was 2. So because we move 2 places, we have to have the 2 right there. The next thing, we check if it's positive or negative. And of course, that will be positive. Yes, man, I hear that. And then to 2 decimal place, round off this. May I come, bro? So it will be 17.4 because you add 1 to this, 2. And that would be our answer. So guys, give me a second. I go buy a gas. Go on to the one here. Same thing again. Same thing again, guys. May I come, General? Alright, so shut up that one there, guys. Shut up that one there. So did I want me brightening it, guys? I'm brightening it. 83.58. And we are going to do the same thing. And we are going to move on from this though. I don't think this is that hard. This is supposed to be 3 marks. Bro, should I have the back gate? Should I have the back gate? Here? Yeah, yeah. I'm brightening it. So it's 83.58 times 41.75. Thanks for all who like the video, guys. Alright, so we get the exact value. So Tanya, I agree with that for the exact value. Good job, along with the others. Mandora as well. Alright, write the standard form now, guys. Alright, 3.49 for the DP. Life with Mia says, alright, big up. One more minute, guys. Let's go. Work we are work and a chicken we are jerk. Good job so far though. Evan says 10 times 3.489 times 10 to the third power. Alright, so guys, we're going to start with the exact value. Malachi Dawson, big up yourself. We're going to start with the exact value, which gives us 3,000, according to my calculator, 3,489.465. 1 mark for that. 3 marks, we call that. 3 marks. Now, to get it in standard form, we have to carry the decimal point right here. But let us see where it is now, and then we can take it from there. So we're going to move 1, 2, 3. So yeah, I did see somebody say 3 times, so that would be correct. Because we're moving to our left, it would have been positive. Because this does tell us where the decimal point should end up, 3 placed back to the right to get it back to the original. So if we should multiply out this, we could just move 1, 2, 3. So just think of the decimal point and this as relative to where it should end up. Alright, round off to 2 decimal place. So we have 3 decimal place. But guess what? It's 5 and over. So we have to add 1 to this. So it becomes 348.9.47 because we're going to add 1 to it. Good job, guys. I did saw that answer. Not as many persons as I expected, though. Oh, guys, to those who want to join the marathon, 5492161. Somebody just messaged me again. I'm not promoting the marathon now, guys. I'm just trying to give some free classes. But just WhatsApp that number for those who want to be a part of it, and then we can take it from there. We just want to get in some hours, guys, because we have class 5 o'clock. So I'm going to try to get in some hours. Alright? And everything must be about money. But if those who want to join, just link me on the number 5492161. WhatsApp me, alright? I will respond. Let's see if we can get the value of this, guys. Remember, I know it's just past papers. There's nothing to fear. Cxc says 30% of students alone get these correct. Minus 2x plus 5 equal negative 20. Work out that, guys, and tell me what's the value of x. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hit the like button as you come on, guys. As you come on, hit the like button. What's the value of x? Somebody say x is equal to 15. So we have one answer so far. Let's go, guys. Let's go. And big up to everybody who support my channel from day one. Yeah, man. Big up, big up. You guys are appreciated. You are appreciated. So minus 2x, alright. Manda say 12.5. Life with me, I say 12.5. Sultani says 15. Which is it? Let's go, let's go. Alright, solution time now, guys. So we're still getting different answers. So that means you know it already, guys. Let's go. Alright, so we're going to, first of all, we want to find the value of x. So we just have to take the inverse of whatever is happening. So if we have plus 5, we're going to minus 5 from this side. So it's the inverse. Whatever you do for one side, you do to the next side. So you just take away 5 from that side also. So now you're left with this. Negative 20 minus 5. Now both of them are negative, so we add them and we get negative 25. We keep the sign. And this is equal to negative 2x. Now remember the objective. We want to get x by itself. So what we have to do, divide by negative 2. Whatever is in front of x, that's what we're going to divide by. Which is negative 2. Negative 2. Anything I do to one side, you do to the next side. Negative cancel negative, so it works out to 12 and a half. So it's not 15, but 12 and a half. positive 12 and a half. So big up to all who got it. Big up to all who didn't get it, but you tried. Let's go into one more, guys. One more. Equation should be 3 marks for everyone. Remember, you're just taking the inverse of whatever is happening. That's all, guys. Alright, do that one. Simpler one. 3x plus 8 is equal to 6. What's the value of x to make that equation be true? And remember, you have the ones that involve brackets, so we have to be able to do that one also. And then you have the ones where you have the opposite sides, where the numbers are on the opposite side, and you have to group them. X equals 0.6, as is 0.6. That's Sutania Smith. Shanae said negative 2/3. Elite said negative. Christopher said 2/3. That's Christopher Lewis. Big up. Life with Mia says negative 2/3. Alright. So some person has positive, some negative. Let's discuss it. Alright, so if we have KB say 0.66. Alright, so basically 0.66 and 2/3 is the same, but some persons are getting positive, some negative. Let's discuss that. So we have a plus 8, so we're going to take the inverse, which is minus 8. So we're going to minus 8 from both sides because it's an equation. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the next side. So because we minus 8 here, we have to minus 8 here also. So this now would give us negative 2. And then we have 3x. So remember, we said that we do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. So we divide by 3. So it's definitely negative 2/3 or negative 0.67. Remember, it's a recurring decimal, 0.66666. So when we round it off to 2 decimal places, please round it up because it's going to be 6 and then add 1 to give you 7. So it will be 0.67. And show Cxc that you understand it. Alright? Good job, guys, but be careful of the sign. I've been saying that to my class. Big up Shani, Nikisha Miller, we say it easy. Megan Johnson as well, big up. Vibe with Wayne, big up yourself. Melissa, Altia Patrick, big up. Yeah, man. Much love, guys. So can we do one involving brackets? The level of difficulty I go up and up, you know, guys. So let's see if we can maintain it. So we have 2 bracket x minus 8 is equal to negative 20. What's the value of x to make that equation be true? Alright, I'm seeing minus 2 and minus 2 so far. Let's go, guys, let's go. Remember to share it, guys. Remember to share it. Alright, negative 2. I'm seeing a lot of negative 2. So I'm going to say that I think that might be correct based on the number of persons who have gotten that. Melisha, Patrick, Dana, Tamara Williamson, negative 2/3 though. Let's discuss it. 30 more seconds, guys, and we go through the solution. So far, so good, guys. So we have 2 times x, which is 2x. 2 times negative 8, that's negative 16. And then we have negative 20. So because this is negative 16, we're going to add 16. And of course, this will give us negative 4. And then we divide by 2. So yes, it is indeed negative 2. Good job, guys. Good job. Good job. Remember, you know, this is part 1, guys. This is part 1. We're going to do it again. We're going to do it again. No, not 3. Solve that one, guys. 2 bracket x minus 6 is equal to 4 bracket x plus 4. Oh, we take the inverse. That's why we change it to 16. For the previous one, we have to take the inverse. Once you're taking from the left to the right, you have to take the inverse. Same thing, that's why we divide, because you have to take the inverse of whatever is happening. What's up the one there, guys? Let's go. X is equal to negative 14. Somebody say 14 over 1. So we have 2 different answers so far. Javi. Oh, we're doing past papers. But this is a simpler type because it's my first time. So you're not going to see the matrices, the vectors now. But it's a simpler type like section 1. Christopher say negative 14. KG say 14, negative 14 as well. Alright, big up Nikisha. Yeah, man, I'm going to do more lives. Yardi say negative 2/3. Yardi, why me feel like you did the previous ones? I think you're probably behind on the live. Alright, so it's negative 2/3. So you're sticking with negative 2/3. Okay, okay. I thought that was for the previous one. Alright, let's go, let's go. 30 more seconds, guys. See if we can type it in first. Quick, let's go, let's go. So we look on fraction, standard form. Now we look on equation. I'm saying negative 14 a lot. So I'm going to be tempted to say it's negative 14. Alright, let's go. So we remove the bracket, right? So 2 times x, that's 2x. 2 times negative 6, that's negative 12. Equate it now. 4 times x, remember you have to multiply everything by 4. That's 4x. 4 times 4, 16. Now we need to group the like terms. So like for example, the x's, we need to bring them together. I'm going to carry over this 4x. So I have my 2x, but we have to take the inverse. Someone was saying a while ago, why change to negative? This is the reason. Because it's positive 4, we have to take the inverse, which is to minus 4x. And anything you do to one side, you do to the next side. Similarly, this is negative 12. What's the opposite of negative 12? Plus 12. So we add 12 to both sides. And of course, 4 take away 2, that's negative 2x. 16 plus 12, which gives us 28. And then we divide by the coefficient of x, which is negative 2. So x is equal to negative 14. A number of persons have gotten negative 14. So I'm not surprised that that is the answer. Good job, guys. Good job. Good job. One more. For the person who got 2/3 and so forth and positive 14. Let's see if you guys can correct that one. Work we are working, guys. I'm not checking we are doing. We're not just going to touch one single topic and run. If you see we're not having a little difficulty, we spend a little time on straighten up some little things. So let's see if we can fix this one. Let's go, guys. 5 bracket 2x minus 1 is equal to 6 bracket x minus 4. Let's continue to work, guys. And I'm checking your journal. Somebody said, when are you doing transposition? You know, there's transposition video on my YouTube channel. Any topic you want, guys, just type in Lennox Bennett on the topic and you see it. All the topics that you're doing should be on there already. Over 1,000 videos. It's just that you guys can't find the zeal if you just sit down and watch the videos and try the questions and so. But they are there, every topic. From trigonometry to geometry to circle theorem. One of my favorite, circle theorem is one of my favorite topics. Vectors, all of them. Matrices. If you want just past papers, you can get them as well. So transposition is there. But remember, guys, try the videos, try the questions before you watch them. Just as we are trying them now. Alright, life with me, I say 19 over 4. Christopher said negative 19 over 4. So you see, guys, that is one of the things that makes students lose marks. Some persons, Eric Williams, says negative 19 over 4. So some persons are getting positive and some getting negative. So guys, we have to fix that before the examination. We have to fix that. And life with Mia says negative 19 over 4. So more persons are getting negative 19 over 4 than positive 19. So probably the person that got positive 19 over 4, probably you can check yours. Just to ensure that you're on the right. But see somebody, so Tanya Smith say negative 19 over 4 as well. So life with me, just kind of double check just to ensure that you are not the one that got it incorrect. Alright, let's go, guys. Solution time now. If you don't finish in time now, guys, it just means that you need to practice more to increase your speed. And I rush it. Alright? So we're going to expand the bracket. 5 times 2, that's 10. That's how we remove a bracket. 5 times negative 1, negative 5. Put your equal sign. 6 times x, 6x. 6 times negative 4 would be negative 24. Again, we need to group all our x's So I'm going to carry over this 6x with the 10 and carry over the 5 with the 24. So I'm going to take the inverse, which is minus 6x. Anything I do to one side, I do to the next side. Put my negative 24. Because this is negative 5, I'm going to add 5. Because I have to take the inverse. Someone was asking about that. So this now would give us 10 take away that would give us 4x. And of course, we're going to subtract because one is negative and one is positive. Some persons tend to add this and say negative 29. No, do not do that. One is negative, one is positive. We subtract and we keep the sign of the one that is bigger. So because 24 is bigger, we know the answer is going to be a negative. What's the difference? 19. So it's negative 19. And of course, we divide by 4. So yeah, those that says negative 19 over 4, you would be correct. Alright, so good job guys, good job, good job. Yeah man, hit the like button guys, we love that. Get me up to 50 likes, get it up to 50 likes. Thanks so much. We not even realize there are so many people up on the live. This is the first session, but we can guarantee you, because so many people come on, I'm gonna be there. Somebody say one more, alright? One more, let's go. Work we are working, you know, guys. You know, chicken we are jerk. So I'm putting a little negative for twisting now. So we have 3 bracket 2x plus 4 equal to minus 2 bracket x minus 1. Thanks guys, we're over 50 likes. That is so appreciated. Even Melissa with the double S. Big up. Welcome, welcome. Looking at past papers. Section 1 though guys, because this is my first one. I have been doing the series. Have you guys been watching the series? Past paper questions. I do all of number 1. The fraction, the decimal, the standard form, the consumer arithmetic. All the number 1s I've been doing. Make sure you follow the series there guys if you have not done so. By now, everybody SBA is supposed to be done. Alright, me I say negative 5 over 4. Eric says negative 5 over 4 as well. So Tanya got negative 5 over 4. Mandor get negative 10 over 8, which is the same thing as, if you reduce it, it's the same thing. So yeah, all they got the same thing so far. What Manda get is the same thing, yeah. Yeah, Manda. Alright, Melissa says it's the first she's seen that one, so she would love to see me do at least one first. Alright, Melissa. We're not far, you know, guys. Alright. So let's go. We have 3 bracket 2x plus 4 is equal to negative 2 bracket x minus 1. Let's get ready to rumble. Reach 1 hour mark, guys. 1 hour since you're on. So 3 times 2, that's 6x. Follow me closely. 3 times 4, positive 12. A positive times a positive. Now we're going to use negative to multiply. So be careful with that. Negative 2 times x, that's negative 2x. Negative times a negative, positive 2. So guys, please ensure you look closely at those. Alright, so I'm going to carry this negative 2x. So I'm going to take the inverse of it, or the opposite. So this now will become plus 2x. So I'm going to get plus 2x on this side. We have a plus 2. Now this is plus 12. So we take the inverse or the opposite of plus 12, which is minus 12. So minus 12 from that side. So 6 plus 2, that's 8x. And 2 minus 10. 2 minus 12 is negative 10 because the 12 is bigger. Once the signs are different, we take the one that is bigger, which is negative 10. That works out to negative 10. And of course, we divide by positive 8. So yeah, negative 5 over 4. Awesome job, guys. Awesome job. I love it. Eda Wallin, big up. No, it's multiplying and multiplying. To remove the bracket, so 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times 4, 12. And then negative 2 times positive x, that's negative 2x. And negative times negative, positive. So you get positive 2. I know I'm see none of my students come on, guys. Get them bright already. I'm bright out. I must be bright in school, them go. Whoa. Anyway, make we go and do the work, yeah? Find the value of x. We're going to change it up a little bit. But nevertheless, you guys should be able to do it. I'm going to start off very simple. What's the value of x? You have x plus 5 divided by 2 plus x minus 1 equal 5. What's the value of x? This one normally causes a lot of problem, guys. So I'm well interested to see what you guys would get. Guys, remember to share it to the teacher too, so them can share it to the class. Alright? You know, say, someone want to chat to everybody in the class. So send it to your teacher and say, see that man I do him live, you know. Let the people them watch it. Because they will benefit. Trust me, they will. Over the years, my students have always gotten one. Last year was 21 ones. The year before was 12 ones. So, I'm expecting ones again this year. Alright, live with me. I say 17 over 5. Rihanna says still not clear. Alright, Rihanna. Probably have to go join my class, Rihanna. So my number here 549-2161. My math marathon is coming up, guys. My Cxc Maths marathon coming up. 7 to 9 if you're in Jamaica. 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. If you're in Eastern Caribbean, it's 8 to 10. We have to make the sacrifice on all of these things, alright? Alright, live with me, buy me. Just WhatsApp the number there, 876-549-2161. And you can, Sutania says 17 over 5. Alright, my regular class for 1 month, it's only 5,000. For the marathon, it depends on how many days you want to come. Daily, it's 2,000. If you want to come for the entire 5 days, it's 8,000 for the 5 days. Big discount. Shania Parker says she's not seeing clearly. Oh, probably the signal bad. when I went on it, I went on my own live and I was able to see it. So I'm not sure. Sometimes normally when you're on the live, it probably not show so clear, but you see when I come off, YouTube do something to it and make it become clearer. Shalona. Somebody heal up Shalona. Oh no, easy, you know, big up, big up. Oh, you mean you understand so clear? Okay, okay. Yeah, man. Oh, what going, Shane? Big up, man. Alright, guys, let's go, let's go. Remember to share it by your status, guys. Because we not do selfish thing. So let me just go through that one here and then we can do one more. So with these, what you have to do, you find the LCM. So you can just make this a fraction as well. Put it over 1. So you find the LCM at 2, 3, and 1. Now the LCM would be 6. So you go to boop and multiply throughout by 6. Because why we do that, we want to get rid of the denominator. So we don't have no fraction. So we just times this by 6. Alright? And of course, 2 into 2, 1, 2 into 6, 3 times. So instead of multiplying by 6, we're going to multiply by 3. Same thing for this, we're going to multiply by 2. So we could expand 3 times x, 3x, 3 times 5, 15. So we remove the bracket already. We're going to use plus 2 now. 2 times that, 2x, 2 times negative 1, negative 2. And of course, 5 times 6, 30. A common error, students don't multiply by the 6. And that throw off the answer. If you just write equal 5, the answer not go right because it's an equation. Anything you do to one side, you have to do to the next side. So we can group them now just like what we're doing. So it's going to be 3x plus 2x. Notice I'm not changing the sign now, guys, because it's on the same side. All I did was just put my numbers together. Alright? And of course, we can add now 3x plus 2, that's 5x. 15 take away 2, that's 13. And that equals to 30. And we know the rest already. We subtract 13 because this is a plus. So we subtract 13 from both sides. So this now will give you 5x equal 17. And then we divide by 5. Somebody looking for that Mia did say, please. She says 17 over 5. Let's see if that was the answer. If you're on, guys, and you have not liked the video yet, please feel free to do so. That's all I ask. Alright, Christopher says 17 over 5. Alright. So, guys, just remember the rule. Find the LCM and then you take it from there. Get rid of the denominator by multiplying through it by the LCM. And of course, you know, you divide by the denominator and you expand and you're good. Alright. Guys, you share it to the classmate yet? One more. We'll keep them here simple. And then we're going on some more complex one. Some persons are saying it's the first they're doing it. So I kind of want to, you know, take it from there. So we have x plus 5 divided by 5 and x plus 2 over 3 equal to. What's the value of x? Let's go, guys. Let's go. There's so much to learn, guys. There's so much to learn. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, Life with Mia is back. New episode. They say Life with Mia, new episode. Let's go. Somebody say, Nate said that one too easy. Put in the answer, Nate. We don't want to see it too easy. We want to see the answer fast, fast. Let's go. And guys, remember, say me dey on TikTok, most of this when I go live. Same name, Lennox Bennett, so you can search for me TikTok. Same name, Lennox Bennett. Look out for the tutorials them as well. They're on there already, guys. Topic by topic. Question by question for the past paper. Alright. So Nate, put in the answer now. You tell me everything what you do. But you not do it. Just do it because you want. I want to see the answer also, not just the procedure. Let's go, let's go. Big up, guys, big up. Alright, we see 5 over 8. Manda get 5 over 8 as well. So 2 answers so far. Oh, you put in the answer already. Alright, cool, cool. So it's 5 over 8 you got for your answer. Alright. Mason got 5 over 8 as well. 30 more seconds, guys, and then we go through the solution. Who not subscribe yet, I don't know when I wait for you know, but I'm not telling you to do that. But you're gonna miss out a lot if you don't subscribe. A lot. Alright, 5 over 8. So let's see. So first we know what we're supposed to do. Find the LCM. Put this in our fraction. LCM will be 15. So we times everything by 15. Alright, 5 into 5, 1. 5 into 15, 3. That 5 times. So we're going to multiply by a positive 3. 3 times x, 3x. 3 times 5, 15. 5 times x, 5x. 5 times 2, 10. What we did a while ago is just remove the LCM. So now we have a linear equation where we can just solve right away. So we're going to group the like terms now. Like all the x's, we're going to bring them together. So it's 3x plus 5x. Notice I'm not changing the sign because it's on the same side. So 3 plus 5, that's 8. And then this will give us 25. Both of them are positive. We go ahead and add. That shouldn't be hard. Now we have positive 25. So we take the inverse, which is minus 25. So this now, minus 25 from both sides. So 8x equal to 5 over 8. Because we're going to divide by 8. So yeah, guys, it's positive 5 over 8. That would be the correct response. Good job, good job. Well done. Alright, number of persons got that. Guys, work on your speed. Alright? If I do the solution, Nikisha Miller, big up. If I do the solution and you don't finish as yet, it means that your speed is a bit slow. I'm timing you guys, alright? Give you a time that you should do. You don't want to be in the exam and you hear say, you're the number 5 and you hear say time up. And guys, when you don't go sleeping at the exam, some persons, they work in the night before exam and tired and then they go sleep. And when you wake up at 10 minutes left, do not do that. Alright guys, this is where it gets really sticky now. Let me show you why. This is where students always seems to mess up. So I could see if we can do one of these. Go ahead and do that one. So we have a minus in the middle. Cxc absolutely love to give you that. Thanks to all who share it. Thanks to all who like the video. Thanks so much. Guys, try get it up. If you're just joining and you don't like it yet, vibe with Wayne. You can afford it, man. Wayne, what kind of shoes you wear to school? Clarks. What kind of phone you have? iPhone 20 probably. 20 come out yet, by the way. You can afford it, man. You can afford it. You know, an uncle or brother foreign, just send this to Western Union. I collect money to Western Union now. So you can afford it, trust me. Just have to sacrifice something. Alright, so we have x minus 1. Somebody say, oh, me get the 25. Oh, that posted late, man. Alright, so Shalona say negative 53. And something say negative 61. So one of you is off. One of you is off. LCM is 6. That I can agree on. But one got negative 53. Nate also got negative 53. So the person with negative 61, you can alone get the answer there, you know. You stick by it, or I them probably wrong. Or there's off. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Oh, guys, and it doesn't matter where you are from. Whether you're from Bahamas, St. Lucia, Trinidad, yes, you can join. If you're from Trinidad, we just work out the time difference. If you're from Barbados, Bahamas, St. Lucia, St. Vincent, Grenada, Cayman, wherever you're from, it does not matter, alright? Big up to Bahamas. Alright, so everybody says sticking by the negative 53. Let's go. One more minute, guys, and then the solution. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Alright, let's go through the solution now. Guys, I won't be able to go every single day because the marathon is going to end at 9. So it's like a rough for me going. But I will try and go. So our LCM would be 6, right? The LCM of 2 and 3 would be 6. So we multiply 2 up by 6. Everything by 6, right? And this is where it can get tricky. We divide now 3 into that 1. So this is 2. Bear in mind, guys, this is negative 2 you're going to be multiplying by. And of course, this is positive 3. So let's expand the bracket. 3 times x. If you're from Bahamas, big up yourself. 3 times that, negative 3. Right? 3 times 1, negative 3. So now we're going to use negative 2. So negative 2 times x, that's negative 2x. Negative times positive, negative 4. How many persons got negative 4 this one? If you don't get negative 4, you're going to throw off your answer. So negative 10 times 6, that's negative 60. Now, all of these are the like terms, right? All of them are, we're going to bring all the x's them together. So we have 3x along with the sign that is in front of it. Negative 2x minus 3 minus 4 equal negative 70. This now, 3 minus 2 will give us 1x. So we minus 7 equal negative 60. And we know the rest already, guys. This is negative 7. We take the inverse, which is plus 7. So x is equal to negative because the 60 is bigger. What's the difference? 53. Easy as that. So our answer is negative 53. Hit the like button, guys. Hit the like button as you come on. Make sure you subscribe so you can know me I go live, alright? Turn on your notification so as me go some bling, and you bling, and you can come on. And then from the start. One more, guys, one more. This time, the coefficient of x is not going to be 1. So we have to step it up. Each time, we have to step it up. Alright, go ahead and do that one. Alright, so this is the rule, guys. Very important rule. When multiplying, negative times negative, that's positive. Negative times a positive, negative. Positive times a positive, positive. The only time you get a negative is when the signs are different. Once the signs are the same, you're always going to get positive. So that's the rule. Like with me, I say 126 over negative 6. Well, the LCM, somebody said the LCM at 10. Need to x at 21. What's the answer, guys? Let's see if we can get it up to 80 likes, guys. 80 likes before we come off, right? 30 more seconds and then we go through the solution. Let's go. X equal negative 21. So some persons are saying 21, some persons are saying negative 21. Which is it? Which is it? Let's go, let's go. Hey, hey, what's up? I know, I'm up on my live. I know, two minutes have class and so on. You go do. Yeah, I'm up on my live. I go and put in some work. I reach one alright, man. We just see the device we go on, but when we reach on, you know you have class. Come to see a post. So I'm gonna wrap up this and then we do my 5 o'clock class. Alright. So I say negative 240. That answer a little bit big, but let's go through it. So guys, the LCM would be 10, 5 and 2 and 1. That's 10. So we multiply everything throughout by 10. And we know what we do. Cancel. 5 into 5, 1. 5 into 10, 2. 2 into this, 1. 2 into 10, 5. So I'm going to expand. 2 times 2, that's 4x. 2 times negative 3, negative 6. 5 times, remember this is negative 5 now. Negative 5 times 2x, negative 10x. Negative 5 times positive 4, negative 20. And then we have 100. Make sure you have all of this, guys. 10, 10 and 100. So 4x minus 6. How we get that? 2 times 2x, which is 4x. 2 times negative 3, negative 6. Then we use negative 5. Negative 5 times 2x, that's negative 10x. And negative 5 times 4, negative 20. And of course, 10 times 10 and 100. Alright, let's go. So we're going to group the like terms now. So we're going to put all the x them together. Minus 6 minus 20 equal 100. And we can take it from there now. The 10 is bigger, so it's going to give us negative 6x minus 26. Why negative 26? Both of them are negative, so we add them and keep the sign. Well, keep the sign. And of course, this is equal to positive 100. So now this is negative 26. So guess what? We're going to add 26. So what we do to one side, we do to the next side. So this now will give us 126. And of course, we divide by negative 6. So 6 into 1, you can't. 6 into 12, 2. 6 into that 1. Sorry, you guys are awesome. Good job, guys. So that's negative 21. Good job. Let's see if we can get in one more. I have a class coming up at 5, so I have to be watching the time now. Let's see if we can get in one. Somebody said 19. How you get 19, guys? Remember, it's negative 6. I seen a lot of negative 19, but I'm wondering what happened there. Did you guys multiply negative 5 times 2? That's negative 10. Negative 5 times 4, negative 20. Let's see if you guys did that. Alright, Jazz. Jazz said one more. And then we run off to the class then. Look out for my lives though, guys. Look out for my lives. Make sure you subscribe before we end the live, alright? Let's go. 2x minus 3 over 4 minus x plus 3. Oh, you guys get plus 10. Okay. Let's see where the error. Remember, negative times a positive is negative. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Put in the work. Put in the work. 28 days to go. We're just going to keep working until it's done. Oh, for those who want my number is on the board. 549-2161. Alright? Pick me up on the marathon. If you want to pay for 5 days, I can give you $2,000 discount. Once you want to learn, I'm willing to teach you. It's cheaper to come to the marathon than to do it another year. And just imagine the amount of work we have to put in next year. Let's do the work this year, guys, and get the pass. Let's go, guys, let's go. And if you catch it playback late, you can join it from the start, alright? And look at what we did. Alright, solution time now, guys. Please ensure you follow me on YouTube or subscribe, that's the correct term. Subscribe now, guys, so you don't get left behind in the mathematics preparation. It's gonna be fast and hectic. Try to be there live so you can ask your questions. Alright. This is the WhatsApp for those who want to alert me. 549-2161. Alright, so this will be the last one for today. You guys did well. Just keep improving, work on your speed, work on your knowledge base, work on, just improve on everything. So find the LCM of 4 and 3, which is 12. So multiply everything by 12. Oh Lord, the ink are done. Good things are last ones. So 4 into 4, 1, 4 into 12, 3, 3 into this 1, 3 into this 4 times. Expand our bracket now, 3 times 2, 6x, 3 times negative 3, negative 9, negative 4 times x, negative 4x, negative 4 times 3, negative 12, and that equals 120. And of course, we can take it from there. We have 6x minus 4x. We just a group, minus 9 minus 12 equal 120. And then now we can subtract, which gives us 2x. This would give us negative 21 equal 120. And of course, we add. So we do the opposite of minus, which is add. So we add 21 to both sides. And of course, this will give us 141. And the final step, we divide by 2. 2 into that, 7. So it's 70 and a half. Or 70.5. Who got that one correct? 70 and a half. Let's see. Yeah, Barney, Melissa got it. Javi says negative 74.5. Neymar said negative 70, positive 70.5. That would be correct. Eda, Wallin, yours is correct. Christopher is correct. Jazz said 58.5. No, Jazz. I'll give you that at all. But anyway, guys, big up to everyone. I have a class now, so I'm going to shut it down. We will link up, guys. Ensure say you check out the series, the number 1, number 2, number 3 series. Past papers for number 1, number 2. As you come closer to exam, I release 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Watch them, guys. Watch them. Get familiar with how they set up the question. I can only do the videos. You guys have to do your part. Literally, what you guys don't have to pay if you don't want to pay. That's what I'm doing. So follow me on YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we'll link up next time. Alright guys, big up everybody, stay safe. Thanks for coming out, thanks for participating and all of those things, alright? It was a really good day. All I would genuinely support Mr. Benny channel, big up, much love. Alright, so I'm going to end the live now, guys. Stay safe, big up everybody, big up. We'll try to go live again later. Subscribe now, guys.